Well, look who the f is back. Yes, I'm back, and it's gonna be like a Sunday dinner type of vlog. I'm gonna start doing like cooking vlog on Sunday for you guys. Yes, I know it's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, but I'm back for you guys. Today's video, we're gonna make some Jamaican Escovitch fish. Hope you enjoy this video and continue the journey with me. Stay tuned and watch the vibe. So first, I'm gonna start by seasoning up the snapper fish. Them, I got 4 red snapper fish. So I'm gonna take off the scale them and wash them off with some lime and vinegar. I also want to ensure say you take off all of the scale them, because sometimes when you fry the fish, you don't realize that some of the scale them still up on the fish, so you want to ensure say all of the scale come off. Sometimes you're not gonna get all of them off, but try your best to take off most of the scale. Alright, looking good. Now we're gonna wash them off like that. Look, you have to make sure so you wash them off now. A cup of lime. You can use lime or vinegar. You don't have to use both. You can use either. You can use both, whichever you choose. I'm just gonna use lime, or you can also use lemon, whichever you choose to use. See? Back with some fresh water, because we're gonna do rinse them off a second time. Because obviously I'm not do this in my kitchen today. I do this outside. Alright, now you want to ensure that you pat them dry. If them not dry, them are going to stick to the pot. This is crucial. If you don't do this, the oil will get saggy and then it's going to come like you steam the fish. So you want to ensure that say the fish dry. If you don't remember nothing else, make sure so the fish dry. You don't want to fry fish with water in it or wet fish. You want to make sure so the fish dry. Right? Important. Dry them. We're gonna dry them twice, inside out. Make sure so the fish dry. Alright, so I put them aside and now cut dry them with paper towel, just like this, because we don't wanna fish and stick to a pot. Or when you fry the fish, you don't want the fish to mash up. One of upon that, you want the fish to fry crispy and nice. Alright, and sometimes you have to bust a prayer to make sure say food come out good too. And not just way I do it, gotta do it too. Alright, so one more time, as me telling you, so we'll ensure so we'll pat dry the fish them again one more time, because this step is crucial. Make sure the fish dry. You want so much time we want, you know, to make sure so the fish dry. Can't say me go right now. And you also can put some slitting on the fish if you like that. Me personally don't like that. I just like to leave the fish like this. But you can make slits. I'm going to show you what me I talk about. People like to do this. Put slits in them fish like that. And put salt and pepper. But I personally don't like it. But if you like it, you can go ahead and do that. When I'm frying fish, I usually just use salt and pepper. Just salt and black pepper. That's all for me. You see, when you use all of that season, like powder season, when you fry the fish, the oil turn black and then the fish turn black. Everything cake up on the fish them. So basically you just want to use salt and pepper. That's all that will do. Fish don't need a lot of seasoning, to be honest. Just season the inside of the fish. You want inside, outside. And if you did do the slit, you put them in the slit too. You can't go wrong with just black pepper and salt. This is the way when I grew up, I do it with black pepper and salt. This is what I see my granny do, black pepper and salt. You can't go wrong with black pepper and salt. Now I'm going to light this up. See, all light up. We're going to put the pot on. Now I'm going to pour the oil. You want to pour enough oil to fry the fish. Don't be stingy with the oil, please. If you know you don't have enough oil to fry fish, make the fish taste for a different day. Now we are going to wait for the oil to get heated. You want the oil to be hot as possible. When we say hot, I mean hot. Red hot. You want the oil to be hot. You see if this not hot, don't try to put the fish in it. Now I'm going to add 2 garlic to it. It's still not hot yet. Do not try to put the fish in the pot without the oil hot. Second time you want to know, wait till the oil hot. Then you put the fish in the pot. Alright? So now I'm going to add the first fish into the pot. See that? And don't try to turn it. Make one side brown first and then you brown the other side. Don't try to cover the fish. Just leave the fish alone. Okay? Alright, after 6 to 7 minutes, we'll flip them just like this. Alright. Put them like this, like that. It's really nice and looking good. Very nice and beautiful. Very nice.
Okay.
The camera I don't just listen about metal. The fish they look really good. So I tell about so sometimes I even scale them, but sometimes the scale look like say it not come off good. Cause look there. And kill me dead, me scale them off good. What's there? It's just an unfortunate situation. Fish number 3. Pretty natural. I'm gonna add back some of my alum use for the fish because you want the flavor from the oil. I'm gonna add scotch bonnet pepper them in our pot now, okay? Now we'll add some tomato berries. We are going to start with this little bit. Okay. I'm gonna add some vinegar. I use white vinegar, about a cup or a half cup. You basically tolerate put this for like 2 to 4 minutes. Because you want the carrot them to be crunchy and you want the onion to be nice and firm. You don't want them to get too soggy, if you know what I mean. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance out everything. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. You could also use your favorite seasoning. Any seasoning you want to use, you could use fish seasoning, but I like to use that season, Jamaican jerk seasoning, to it. And at this point, it's basically done. You can taste it at this point to see if you want to add anything to it, salt, any more seasoning, any more sugar to your liking, any other thing you want to add to it. Some more vinegar, make it to your liking. And this is basically it, simple and easy, nothing hard about this. So try it and do it yourself. Look at this. What hard about this? You can't make escovitch fish here. Yeah, look on this. See, the carrot is still firm, they're not soft. See, You want them to be nice and firm and not overcooked, but them are broke up and a mush out. And you want the onion to be nice and translucent but not too soggy. See that? All right.